Alright, so what we have here is a 2010 Mercedes C300. The problem is the brake pedals. You go sink to the floor when you on the stop. The brake stops, the car stops and everything, but when you hold it, it will start to sink to the floor. So I check everything, all the lines, calipers, they're all good, no leaks at all. So now I'm going to isolate the problem from the brake caliper, the lines, and all the way to the master cylinder. So now I'm going to test the master cylinder itself just to make sure if it's really the master cylinder. So let's do it. So here's our master cylinder for Mercedes. But first we're gonna have to remove this support here. So you'll just have to pull out. So now we're clear with that, so we can continue. This is our vacuum. So what we're going to do here is to remove the lines, and we're going to plug the cylinder really good. Once we plug the cylinder, we press the brakes. If we still have the sinking issues, this way you will make sure 100% that there's some problem with the master cylinder. So let's do that. Okay, first we're going to drain the fluid, not all the way, just the one on the until where the container, the reservoir. That's all we have to drain, not all the way into the master cylinder. So this is the vacuum. Should be enough. So now we're ready to remove our connector here. Alright, so I make my own plug. So composed with the line and the fittings. So I just crimp the other end of the line like so. So to make sure that there's no fluid coming in, and because also the cylinder accept the bubble flare, so make sure it's the right bubble flare you have to put in. So now remove the other side. Right, so now we're going to put fluid here, because obviously we'll probably drain the rest. So it says over here, make sure you read your cap. It says .4 brake or plus. So okay, so at this point I already add the fluid in it, and now I'm going to press the brakes and see if it's still have leaks. Alright, so I did press the brake. It's really hard rock. It's hard brake. So I even start the vehicle just to make sure to give me the boost, but it is really hard. So the master cylinder it's in 100% good condition at this point. So now I'm sure that there's nothing wrong with the master cylinder, so the sinking problem that I have right now, it's most likely it's the ABS module. So that's where next I'm going to investigate, to search where is this issue is. So yeah,